What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Represent clothing haul I did. I'm going to go over the sizing, fit, feel, and just my overall thoughts and opinions on these pieces. I have shorts, sweats, a sweater, and the t-shirts, one which I'm wearing right now. So let's get right into the video. So let's start off with the t-shirts. I'm wearing the green one right now. I think this is the vintage green. I did also get the vintage black color. I like them both a lot. They're great. As per the fit, I did get a large, and I am typically a large in 99% of clothes when it comes to my tops, my upper, I guess. And these do fit pretty big. I know they are supposed to be like a baggy fit. I actually had to get them tailored, and still they're kind of baggy on me, which this is the kind of baggy that I personally like. As you can see, it's still kind of wide. The sleeves are big. I rolled them up. But when I first got it, it was a bit too much. So, maybe consider sizing down in this. If you're typically a large, maybe go to a medium. The one thing that I would be worried about is the neckline on these is thicker and a bit taller, which I love. So I feel like if I would have gone for a medium, it might have been a bit too tight and uncomfortable. So they both do have the Represent logo on the bottom, the metal tab that all their clothes have. It's kind of their staple thing or whatever, but really nice detailing, really nice shirt. It's really soft inside and out. It is a nice thick material. It's not too heavyweight or too hot, but it is a nice, good quality shirt for sure. So 10 out of 10. The only thing I would ding it on is the fit is a little bit big or wide for my personal taste, I suppose. Next up is the crew neck. So I got the crew neck in this vintage blue, which I absolutely love. I got the matching shorts, which I'll show you after. Represent logo across the chest there, just like some of the tees. And this one does fit true to size. I got this in a large, and I think it fits the way a large should. It is a baggier fit as well. You can kind of tell how big the difference is from the sleeve to the shoulder. It does taper quite a bit, which I like. I think it looks sharp. It's a nice baggy look, but then it stays nice and tight on your wrist. Really good quality cuffs, which I like as well. Same quality cuff that's on the neckline. And this does sit a little bit higher than the shirt does, the t-shirt. So it is a nice look. I like it a lot, and it's something a little bit different, but really high quality material, fits true to size, and it's a really nice looking crew neck. The one big difference between the shirt and the crew neck is this is a rough material inside. It's not soft like the t-shirt is. It's more of a rough cut cotton. It's not fleece lined or anything like that, which is nice because then it's not going to be too hot for the summer. So just keep that in mind depending on what you're looking for. That might be a pro or a con, I guess. Next up is the sweatpants. I got these in black and in a medium. I also have the 247 pants in a medium, and they do fit a little different, and I'll tell you why. These are pretty heavyweight. The waistband on these is really thick, and it's big. So it does add a lot of weight to the sweatpants. So I mean, if you're somebody who is kind of in between sizes, I would probably say size down in these. Just because if you start putting your phone in your wallet and your keys in your pockets, that paired with the weight of these can kind of make them fall down as you're walking a little bit. It's not anything to the point where I thought of returning them or don't wear them, but I have noticed myself pulling them up and kind of tightening up that waistband a few times, just because they are a really heavyweight sweatpant. But I do love them. They have really big pockets, great zippers. That was one thing I didn't really like about the 247 pants, is the zippers are really thin and they would get caught. Not the same with these. These are completely different design, and I do like them a lot. They have that Represent metal tab there as well on the fly. And another really nice feature with these is they have the drawstring so you can cuff them, which I always do because they are a bit longer than the 247 pants. The 247 pants I can wear not cuffed and they still sit right. These ones are a little bit longer. So just keep that in mind. They do fit a bit different, but if you typically are a medium, depending on how you like your stuff to fit, I would probably say go true to size, but just keep in mind that they might be a little bit heavyweight for you, depending on how you wear them. So quality on these is insane, as it is with the tees and the crew neck and the shorts. It's all great. This is an expensive brand, so I'm not too worried about the quality of them. It's more getting you guys the right sizing so that you don't have to send stuff back to the UK. Next up is the shorts. I did get these in a medium as well. Obviously, with these being half the length, they're not too heavy or baggy. They don't fall down. They have the same really nice heavy-duty drawstring feature, which keeps them right in place to where you want them. Additionally, they are a really, really nice material. I love the way they feel. Even though they are heavier weight material, they're not too hot. I was wearing these last week in plus 45, plus 46 degree weather, and I was fine. I wasn't too hot or sweaty or anything like that. So it's just a nice quality fabric and they work great for the summer. These have the exact same zipper pockets as the Sweatpants, really big, lots of space, and nice heavy duty zippers so you don't have to worry about them getting caught. They're really easy to do up and down when you need to get stuff in and out. And the length on the shorts is awesome as well. They fit amazing for me personally. I don't like stuff going past my knee and I don't like it too far above my knee. So these really just sit perfectly to where I wanted them. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you got the info you were looking for. If you did, take a second and drop a like. It's gonna help my channel out a ton. It's gonna help me grow and get a little more exposure, which would mean the world to me. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, of course. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.